Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on synthetic models of trip distribution. So here the second important trip distribution methods, that is synthetic model methods. Here, as we know, in the growth factor method, that is applicable for small towns, and it is the it is having certain limitations. To overcome that, the synthetic model, which is being applied present day in various tip distribution methods, has its own important advantage that can be used not only for prediction of future trips, but also to synthesize the base year flows or base year trips in the study area. Hmm. The necessity of having to survey every individual cell in the trip matrix is obtained, and the cost of data collection is reduced. Here, the methods which are there in the synthetic model methods, that is gravity model, Tanner model, uh, intervening opportunity model, computing opportunity model. So these are the four important synthetic methods which are there in the trip distribution. So this um, synthetic trip distribution, in that specifically with respect to gravity model, this is one of the well-known synthetic models, and it is based on the Newton's concept of gravity. The model uh, is proposed by word, that is, can write as it is proposed based on the Newton's gravity model, right? So that is the it is assumed that the interchange of trips between the zones in an area is dependent upon the relative attraction between the zones and the special separation between them as measured by an appropriate function of distance. Hmm? This function of special separation adjusts the relative attraction of each zone for the ability, desire, or necessity of the trip makers to overcome the uh, special separation, where the trip interchange is directly proportional to the relative attraction between the zones, and it is inversely proportional to the distance between the. So, in terms of equation, if you want to write, that is number of trips being attracted between zone I and J is equal to, that is Pi into Aj divided by the distance Bij in the power, and you can write K as constant, usually which is dependent on the origin, and here Dij is the trips between the zone I and J, and Pi is the number of trips which are being produced from zone I, that is attraction. Sorry, zone I is origin, J is the trips which are being attracted, J is attracted, and Dij is distance between the zone I and zone J. which may be dependent on the time, or it may be dependent on the cost of travel. Whatever factor which will be considering with respect to that, this is dependent. Hmm. And this k is a constant, usually which is dependent on the origin I, and n an exponential constant whose value lie between 1 to 3. This n value is between 1 to, so this is a gravity model of synthetic method. So likewise, you can discuss Tanner method, intervening opportunity model, computing opportunity model in the future classes. Thank you very much.